Okay, we cut?
Okay, yeah.
Jackass.
Okay.
Bukas alis ako eh.
Oh.
Punta ako ng
Yeah.
Yummy.
Close it up. Okay. It's
Okay.
yummy.
Ha?
It's yummy. Sis you.
Okay. Bali, kapit-bahay namin siya.
Yeah, baby.
Metro, ano yun, Mark? Metro Walk?
Ah, Metro Walk.
Ganda.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Is it really yummy?
Not how to eat it, but it tastes good.
Yes. Yeah, we can say you're now a Filipino. You should also eat abnoy.
Huh?
Abnoy. Tastes like shit.
Smells like.
It smells like shit, but tastes like cake. Eh, kumakain ka rin ba na abnoy?
That's the stone.
Then after you eat the stone, you shout, Darna.
Darna! Superman!
Yung nasa kayo nga namin bus kanina, yung sa monumento. Ang galing ng boss magbebenta lang ng... Tapos nagdi-DJ.
Oh,
This is your DJ.
Oh.
Tapos nagbebenta lang ng store ko. Ang galing ng
It's so
boss.
hard.
Tapos ginagaya halo
Yeah,
halo.
because-
Ginagaya si Mike Enriquez. Yung boses niya.
Bus na.
Bro,
So, how will I stop it?
Ayaw mo nun.
Ang haba.
Press
Wala,
again.
ano, talagang